back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore some of the most stunning luxury homes from around the world. Today, we're touring a breathtaking silver and brown modern mansion that redefines style, comfort, and premium living. From cinematic drone views to a detailed interior walkthrough, this home is designed to impress from every angle. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the full tour. Our journey begins with a sweeping drone shot gliding across the top of this magnificent property. From the sky, the mansion's architectural beauty comes alive. The exterior blends cool silver metal accents with warm brown textures, creating a perfect balance between modern sharpness and natural warmth. The landscaping is carefully curated, adding soft greenery that enhances the home's bold aesthetic. This aerial view captures the full scale of the property: clean lines, wide spaces, and a layout that feels both grand and inviting. As we move closer to the ground, the front entrance immediately takes center stage. Tall wooden doors with shining silver trims frame the entryway in a luxurious yet welcoming way. Soft ground lighting guides you along the modern walkway, and the symmetry of the design gives the home an elegant presence. The entrance hints at the refined interior waiting inside. On the side of the home, the garage continues the silver and brown theme with sleek paneling and a smooth, modern finish. The driveway is wide, making it practical and polished at the same time. Every exterior detail fits together seamlessly, giving the house a complete and cohesive look. Stepping through the main door, you're welcomed into a spacious and bright living room. Natural sunlight pours through large windows, making the room feel open and full of life. Soft brown sofas offer comfort, while silver decor pieces and modern wall designs elevate the space with elegance. The layout is thoughtfully arranged for family gatherings, relaxation, or hosting guests in a stylish setting. From here, we move into the kitchen, one of the standout features of this home. The kitchen is a beautiful blend of glossy silver cabinets, brown wooden textures, and marble countertops. The lighting is warm and modern, highlighting each design element perfectly. This kitchen is built not only for functionality but also for visual appeal, making cooking or entertaining an enjoyable experience. Just beside the kitchen, the dining area offers a luxurious setting for meals. A polished wooden table with silver accents sits beneath a modern chandelier that adds a soft glow to the room. The combination of clean lines, warm textures, and elegant decor makes this dining space ideal for both everyday use and special occasions. Moving to the bedroom, the design continues with the same silver and brown harmony. The king-sized bed is positioned perfectly to catch natural light from the windows. Warm lighting, elegant furniture, and tasteful decor make this room feel peaceful and inviting. The subtle combination of colors creates a relaxing environment, exactly what a luxury bedroom should be. The bathroom is another highlight of the home. It features marble walls, silver fixtures, and a modern glass shower. The space is clean, bright, and thoughtfully designed. Large mirrors and premium finishes add to the feeling of luxury. Every part of this bathroom reflects attention to detail and high-quality craftsmanship. One of the most impressive additions to this property is the home gym. Equipped with modern silver-toned machines, brown wooden flooring, and wall-to-wall mirrors, the gym feels open and motivating. Whether you're focusing on strength, cardio, or stretching, this space offers everything you need for a complete workout from the comfort of home. Stepping outside, we arrive at the swimming pool area, an absolute dream. The pool water reflects the bright sky with crystal clarity, while the surrounding brown deck provides warmth and balance. Silver outdoor furniture completes the look, creating a perfect spot for relaxing, hosting gatherings, or enjoying sunny afternoons. This area of the home truly captures the essence of luxury living. Near the backyard, there's also a modern swing and play area. The frame features silver and brown elements, matching the home's overall theme. The fresh green lawn and open surroundings make this space ideal for enjoying calm outdoor moments or spending time with family. Back inside, the TV lounge provides the perfect space for entertainment. A large screen fills the room with immersive visuals, while comfortable seating and soft LED lighting create a cozy environment. Silver and brown decor elements tie the space together beautifully, making this lounge ideal for movie nights or gaming sessions. Every corner of this mansion, from the entrance to the backyard, has been built with precision, creativity, and luxury in mind. The silver and brown theme flows through the entire property, giving it a unique personality and elegant charm. If you enjoyed this full tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new luxury home walkthrough. Let us know in the comments which part of the house impressed you the most. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury tour.